Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 8th of July. And first of all, national news. Reduced syllabus a big factor for perfect NEET scores. NTA. Over 7,500 pilgrims visited Amarnath Cave Shrine. Total crossed 1.59 lakh. Uttarakhand on alert as Ganga swelled amid heavy rains. PM Modi to embark on 3-day visit to Russia and Austria from 8th July. Budget session of Parliament to begin from 22nd of this month. Soldier injured as terrorist opened fire on army camp in Jammu and Kashmir's Rajouri. Now some international news. Russia declared emergency in some parts after Ukraine drone attack. Earthquake of magnitude 5.9 struck near east coast of Kamchatka. Heavy rains triggered landslides in Nepal. French turnout high as far right aims for power in key vote. And Paris looking at plan B if river Seine remained unfit for Olympic swimming. And now some sports news. Jay Shah ended ODI Test captaincy debate with big Rohit Sharma announcement. Sunil Gavaskar urged India government to honor Rahul Dravid with Bharat Ratna. We deserve more Cristiano Ronaldo after Portugal's Euro 2024 exit. Netherlands mount Euro's comeback against Turkey to set up England's semi-final. All Olympics bound Indian athletes are fit, IOA Chief Medical Officer said. Business related news. India UK to hold next round of talks on proposed trade agreement in July. Union Bank got encounter bids for only JP Healthcare in Swiss auction. India planned geological mapping and mineral exploration in Zambia. And that's all in news. Thank you.